Check it out, viewer. I have internet stuffs. I don't know if I showed you before, but I just did. So, there you go. Now you know. It means I can do everything here in my room. It's fantastic. Yeah. Anyways, I'm not in training and processing anything else like that anymore. I am finally an actual part of the space, and I actually did my job today. It was fantastic. I didn't get any pictures of it though, but I drove a semi-truck and I hauled things, and I felt great. It's the first time I've driven a semi-truck in a really long time, so there's that. What else is new? Today I went and saw a Korean defector, a North Korean defector. He escaped like, I guess it was about 12 years ago, and now he goes around giving seminars talking about how North Korean culture is and why there needs to be unification between the two countries. It was pretty cool listening to him talk. Actually got a picture of him. I think I already showed you that. So yeah, and they gave out this little thing, shining a light on human rights in North Korea. It's a little organization you can give money to, and they'll help any refugees and other defectors get back out and into a civilized world. So yeah, that's what I'm up to. I'm going to be volunteering at the animal shelter this weekend, and then I'm volunteering with the Civil Air Patrol on Monday. I'm trying to get in so I can make that a regular thing. Go out and do that. One, because it's freaking awesome, and you know, sharing is caring. Sharing my services with, you know, younger kids who want to be in the Air Force in the future, or you know, helping animals stay happy and alive. It's a good way to spend my year here. And also, I can get one of these guys, see, Outstanding Volunteer Service Ribbon, medal. Actually, it's not a ribbon, it's metal. So I'm trying to get that before I leave here. Typically, it takes 3 years of continuous service to a place to get it, but I think OSAN and make an exception for that. And I know at least one person who's gotten it out of here, so yeah, trying to better myself, better the community, and yeah, I'll let you know how that goes for sure. So I woke up this morning and I was like, I don't need my Gore-Tex jacket, I'll be good, it's not gonna rain. It rained yesterday. Wrong. It rained today anyways. Which kinda sucks. It's an airplane. Fortunately, viewer, the weather's cleared up. The video was taken about 2 or 3 days ago, and now it's freaking beautiful outside. Weather here is just as weird as freaking Washington. But, yeah, not a whole lot new here. I started volunteering at the animal shelter, so that's pretty cool. Monday, I'm helping out at the Civil Air Patrol. So I'm starting to get involved a little bit in the community base, and trying to stand out from my peers. I got one of these guys. That's pretty fun. It has a warning label, so it's gotta be fun, right? I try to do some working out in my room instead of going to the gym all the time. I don't like a gym. I don't know. I just don't like it. But yeah. So yeah, a couple days ago there was a Asian Pacific Heritage picnic ordeal, and that was pretty fun. I helped serve food and stuff, and they had these people that came and did like hula dancing and all this other stuff. So here's some video of that. After that's over, I'm just gonna end the video because I don't have anything else to talk about, and I don't want to waste your time. So thanks for watching. Maybe tomorrow I'll go for a walk or something. Get some video. Hopefully the weather's just as nice. So See you.